Nothing falls from the sky. Not money, not apartments, not cars. They go to those who don't wait and but act, to those who see an opportunity and turn it into income. Want to earn big, seriously, on a regular basis? Then you belong in Top Group. Forget about investors from Telegram and motivational gurus. Here, it's simpler. You don't just get discounts, you earn from them. Got a certificate, got a discount on real estate or a car, referred someone, earned from every deal. Connected a developer or dealership, you advertise them and earn. You're instantly in the leadership program. Already figured out how it works? Then you're already winning. Here you get paid just for sharing the discounts. Every deal your team makes is your income. Top Group is not hype. It's a partner system with real numbers. You don't need to be a realtor, a broker, or a social media star. You just need the courage to start. Good at talking, you're already ahead. Good at finding people, you're winning big. So, want income, take action. Want a car? Be smart. Want an apartment? Get it with profit. And want it all at once? Welcome to Top Group. Top Group. No illusions sold here, just real money made. On the ground, on wheels, in your city, right where you live. Look around, buildings are rising, cars are being sold everywhere. Connect, promote, earn. Let every discount work for you. Top Group. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it yourself.